Skin Place Thermaxigen. Skin tightening and lifting. Stimulates collagen production to firm and lift sagging skin for a youthful contour. Wrinkle reduction. Smooths out fine lines and deep wrinkles, restoring a more refreshed appearance. Improved skin elasticity. Enhances skin resilience, making it look plumper and more supple. Non-invasive and painless. Achieves visible anti-aging results without surgery or downtime. Long-lasting rejuvenation. Delivers gradual, natural-looking improvements that continue to develop over time. Schedule your treatment now.